Hello everyone. It was the start of the year 2020 when a global pandemic hit the world. Every industry saw its low point, but there was one amongst them which found itself suffocating, trying hard just to ensure its existence. They were medium to small scale businesses and retail shops. We, Team Radioactive, thought of helping them and came up with this idea of rewarding both the customers and the business brand owners, which will not only increase activity in the supply demand chain, but will also help these businesses regain their lost identity, or maybe, who knows, create one of its own. We are planning to submit this idea under the track Social Commerce with the theme A Step Ahead for a Better Future. So, our aim is to use technological innovations and social influence to build a platform for local businesses so as to increase their presence and brand value, increase their reach using social media presence, help retail businesses to better reach and understand their customers, reward their good behavior and good business practices, helping potential customers to choose between different vendors which will provide them with the same or similar product, help retail vendors to identify loyal customer base and reward them. Also, we aim to help retailers analyze data to make better business decisions. A few of the problems that we identified were that businesses, especially when they are small scale and limited to a specific small location, they find it difficult in establishing trust and ensuring user of the quality of the product they are selling. Also, local businesses have had a hard time establishing a good supply chain management system which can help reach their product to users from different locations. Identifying potential customer base and targeting that base is especially difficult in absence of a solid actionable data. Hence, rewarding customer in promoting such businesses is also very hard. Few of the approaches that we propose are that we will be helping businesses establish trust in their product, and we will be altering social behavior of users by rewarding them for the trust they show in a particular business. The first can be achieved by something that we have come up, and we would like to call that a trust rating, which will be available for each business or brand, which will be based upon various parameters discussed ahead. The second goal can be achieved by rewarding users for their brand loyalty. This loyalty can be measured by analyzing how much particular user is loyal towards a particular brand, how much he purchases from that, how frequent these purchases are made, and users' endorsement to a particular brand or business. So what is this trust meter? The trust meter is a way of analyzing every business which we have come up with. It comprises of customer review, social media presence, total brand endorsement, and product quality, each having its separate weightage. Customer review will be calculated by taking into consideration every customer's review which he or she posts on various social media platforms or on our platform itself. Social media presence will be considered by how much influence the business has across various social media platforms. The influence will be gauged by the number of followers they have on these platforms. Which will be targeted are Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Total brand endorsement will be carrying 100 credits, which will include how many users are sharing the product across various social media platforms. Now, last, which we consider is the most important thing, is the product quality, having a weightage of 150 credits, which will be rewarding retailers for making sure that they provide a good quality product. All these parameters are chosen such that it will help businesses by motivating them to improve. Enhancing their reach and improving product quality is the most important part when it comes to rewarding retailers with high trust points. In total, a business brand will be evaluated out of 500 credit points and then scaled down to 8 for users' ease of understanding. They will be then provided a rating out of 2 plus or minus for improving or deteriorating based on their previous performance. According to the total credit scored out of 10, the businesses and retailers will then be segregated into 4 groups, namely AA, AB, and B. Higher the trust point, higher will be the visibility of a particular business on our platform. According to these groups, businesses can be ranked and analyzed. When it comes to the second goal, which is on the user side, users can be rewarded for staying loyal to their brands. Loyalty will be judged by a user's behavior and spending patterns. Frequency of user buying products from same retailer can be identified, which will help in better recommendation of product across various platforms. The reward can either be monetary or by giving discounts on future purchases. Users will be rewarded for sharing product, giving reviews on various social media platforms.